Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Japanese stocks tumbled Friday, with the Nikkei on track for its worst week since August. As evidence, China's economy is slowing sharply and rising tensions in the Ukraine fuel jitters. The Nikkei lost 3.51% in early trade as slower than expected growth in Chinese industrial production and retail sales came out just before some markets closed in the previous session, giving Japan and South Korea little time to react. It was a similar story in Australia, where stocks stopped trading on Thursday before the Chinese data was released. On Friday, the S&P/ASX 200 fell 1.54%. News reports that Russia is conducting new military exercises in the Crimea region of Ukraine sparked demand for safe haven asset classes. The dollar and yen especially bruised equities markets worldwide. Tensions between Russia and the West have remained high ahead of Sunday's referendum in Ukraine's Crimea region, controlled by pro-Russian forces, on whether citizens there want to join Russia. The dollar has reversed higher after falling to new lows for the year against the euro and Swiss franc, and sliding against most of the other major currencies. The dollar has though slumped against the yen. It has approached a band of support that extends from about 101.50 yen to 101.20. Today's data calendar is a bit light, and the situation in Ukraine, together with the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee's meeting next week and the recent comments from the European Central Bank's President Mario Draghi, should continue driving the markets. US February Producer Price Index 12:30 GMT. The final demand price index is expected to post an increase of 0.2% and 0.1% excluding food and energy. The price trends remained very stable, but the inflation rate remains far below the Fed's target of 2%. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.